We fought. Close the pro in the building. Londi in the building. Welcome, Londi. Londi, are you the only lady here? I believe Eva is also here. German Queen, please, if you're here, present yourself. If you're here, German Queen, please present yourself. Tabiso Masinga in the building. Powerful, my brother. Tabo in the building. Welcome, Tabo. Tabo, man. You know, even my cousin, his name is Tabo. So, Tabo, welcome in the building, man. Welcome in the building, man. He's the first Tabo that I know that is interested in trading. Yeah, you are fighting, my brother. You are fighting. Here's another lady in the building, Simpiwe Mtumbe. That's powerful. Welcome, Simpiwe. Welcome, guys. Before I furthermore waste time, let me just do a breakdown of what is that I'm seeing on the market, and then Rustin back in the building. Halaleto. Okay. So, guys, as you can see, here, let me just go to my 15-minute time frame. As you can see, guys, that here we have our 15-minute time frame on US30. Super nice and simple. You can see, guys, that price, or I can just say market has been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then we started to enter in this ranging market. Remember, guys, that once price does something like that, there is a possibility that price can shoot to the downside. Because remember, we have an uptrend. And then once price wants to change, we start to see a consolidation or ranging market, and then we start to see market pushing to the downside. So there is a chance that we can still see price pushing to the downside. But nonetheless, guys, price can still reverse from this level of support and shoot to the upside. That is also a possible scenario, because we can still see price pushing up and then form this continuation and then continue pushing to the upside. As you can see, that this could be some sort of like a flat continuation, not as deep continuation as you can see. So we can still see price pushing up here, or bouncing here, or pushing up, or breaking this level of resistance and continuing to push up. So we have two possible scenarios that can present themselves, but we're gonna be discussing them closely on 5-minute time frame. Cat in the building. Thanks, Mamba. Yeah, I'm the only Tabo doing trading. I'm not sure about that, but you're the only one that I know. Let me just go to my 5-minute time frame. So, guys, on my 5-minute time frame, we're gonna start with the same thing that we've been seeing on 15-minute time frame. But now the only difference is that now it's becoming even more clear. You can see, guys, that we do have a nice level of support here, which price did break above, came back for a retest, and then pushed to the upside before entered in this ranging market, as you can see. So now what is that we're seeing? We're seeing price creating this minor resistance here. So we want to see if price is going to be able to break this resistance here and close above, then we're going to be calling a buy. But if price do fail to break and close below, we're going to be calling a sell, because you can see that price is forming this last minute resistance. As you can see, respectively, it doesn't have a lot of momentum. I doubt price market is going to give us that momentum that we're looking for, because you can see, guys, that it doesn't have a lot of momentum. But then nonetheless, guys, are going to be taking the signal either way. I did say and tell everyone that I'm no longer trading now. I'm just going to be waiting for festive to end, and then I'm going to be trading back once the festive is finished. Okay, guys, I just plugged in this level of resistance here. As you can see, super nice and simple. As you can see, guys, nothing too complicated. You see that price was pushing down, broke below this resistance, came back to test it again. Now we want to see how price is going to react before we sell or we buy at this point in time. So, guys, all about reacting to what the market is doing. Thanks, my brother. Tabo Morabe. Tabo Mabuya. There's another Tabo. So, man, you're not alone, man. You're not alone. He had to present himself. You fought, Tabo, there. You fought, my brother. The other Tabo, you fought, man. You fought, man. You fought. But, guys, on our 15-minute time frame, as you can see, guys, that we want to see price trading below this level of resistance. We want to see price trading below this 15-minute candle here. If it does break above, so we're going to be looking forward for longs. If it does break above, we're going to be looking forward for longs opportunities. So I'm just adjusting these, guys, based on looking at the 15-minute time frame. So you can see that this is the most valuable level of resistance compared to this one if we put it here, as you can see. But I still need to zoom in so that I can clearly see if you do get the breakout that you're looking for here. Yeah. So guys, before we execute or do anything, please make sure that you're using proper risk management, risking 1 or 2% of your account. You can even go as low as risking 0.5, because guys, it's festive now, so everything is like a bit of choppy and all that. So make sure that you are risking way, way, way less. Make sure, guys, that you are risking way, way less. Yeah. So let me just get this. Good to hear that, Peter. Let's push and build TFX. TFX. I've never heard of that. That would be a nice company, guys. But if it's TFX, guys, even me, I'm involved because my name is Tabani. Fanlak is my second name, so I'm also involved. How can you, guys? I bet even me, I'm gonna be involved there. You can't leave me outside, guys. You can't leave me outside. So are we buying? No, guys, I'm gonna call the trade now. In just about 30 seconds, I'm gonna call the trade. I'm still waiting for this 5-minute candlestick to close, and then for this 15-minute candlestick to close as well. Then we're gonna decide after we've gotten the close of the candle. So guys, I'm still waiting for the close of the candle. And the candle is about to close now in no time. The candle is about to close in no time, guys. The candle is about to close in no time. Looking nice for longs, guys. Looking very, very nice for longs. As you can see, it did break above. Looking nice for longs. Okay, guys, let's enter our buys. Let's enter our buys, guys. Let's enter long. I just entered buy, guys. I just entered a buy now. I just entered a buy. You see, guys, that we did get a nice retest here. I'm currently holding just a small profit, but nonetheless, guys, the market hasn't moved. The market hasn't moved as of yet. It hasn't moved as of yet. So yeah, still looking for market to continue pushing up. Super, super nice and simple. I see 4-hour time frame candle. The last candle, what is this saying, my brother? The last H4 candle, what is this saying? Guys, I hope you are all running in profit. I hope you are all running in nice profit. I'm holding nice profit here on my side. I'm holding nice profit on my side. I believe you are all holding nice profit. I believe you are all holding nice profit, guys. Super, super nice and simple, not too complicated. What you can do, guys, now, just take out on the table, take 50% of the table, take 50% of the table. This is not a nice rejection here. Not a nice rejection here. Guys, take 50% of the table, take 50% of the table, take 50% of the table, take 50% of the table. Yeah, I don't like the way price is rejecting this level of resistance. I don't like the way price is rejecting this level of resistance. But yeah, I believe, guys, we are all eating. I believe we are all eating at this point in time. You see, guys, the confluence is that the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes give us is very, very nice. Very, very valid as well. The confluences that we get from these 2 time frames, guys, super, super amazing. Very, very much amazing, guys. Very, very much amazing. Yeah, it's super, super amazing. Okay, guys, we did take 50% of our profit when price was somewhere here, and now price is back at break even. So yeah, just gonna be looking to hold this position and then look to manage it accordingly. Yeah, we're gonna be looking to manage this trade, guys, accordingly. Remember, guys, we don't want to give back the profit that we've already made from the market. So we want to make sure that from this, we're not giving back what we've already made from the market. Guys, is it me, guys, or something is wrong? Okay, everything is fine. Ish, my battery is very low now. Ish, my battery is very, very, very low now. My battery is very low. Let me see. Okay, guys, we're still running in nice profit, guys. Still running in nice profit. Not huge, but we still are in profit, so that is something nice. We managed to close in half of our position, which is something that is good. Let me see here. I see H4 bear candle, H4. Okay, guys, I don't trade based on H4. I don't trade based on like bigger time frame like that. I just trade on 50-minute time frame and on, because it's a scalping strategy. So I don't really need to go to H4 because it's a scalping strategy. So I just look at 15-minute time frame as I'm explaining everything to you. I look at 15-minute time frame, then I look at okay, guys, you can see that price is rejecting this level of resistance, and the 5-minute candlestick, guys, is about to close. So when normally price does something like this, normally it will shoot to the downside. Normally it will shoot to the downside if it does something like that. So let's just close all our positions. Let's just close all our position, guys, 100%. Close all our position, because of now I'm seeing that price is rejecting this level of resistance here, and the 5-minute candlestick is about to close in about like what? In about 30 seconds. So I just closed all our position. Just closed now all my positions. I just closed now all my positions, guys. So yeah, the second position I closed it at about a break even, because of I saw that this resistance was not a nice one. Closed in about break even. Yeah, but nonetheless, guys, it was a good day. We managed to capitalize from this move. Let me see. We managed to capitalize not so much about 400 pips or points, about 400 points, not so much, but it was a good trade, guys. It was a good trade, not so bad. Not so bad. It was a good trade. Reason for me to call it because of this resistance, as you can see, guys, here. Someone can say this is an OP. Yes, it is an OP that was holding price. So yeah, that's why, guys, I called us to close this position. Not so bad, not so bad. Yeah, but it is what it is, guys. Thank you so much for staying and tuning in. It's me, your boy Fanlaki Mama. I'm out of the building. Let there be peace in the Middle East, to our brothers and sisters. Be safe, guys. Be safe, guys. We're still running at about 100% win rate, no losses at all. So guys, we're fighting, guys. Let there be peace, let there be peace, let there be peace in the Middle East, to our brothers and sisters. Be safe.